Yeah, I'm going to talk to you today about our AlterG Treadmill that we offer at our Northwest Physical Therapy location and our South Physical Therapy location. It's a unique piece of equipment that's applicable to lower extremity injuries. Really can be for healthy runners with some applications, as well as utilized in a lot of rehabilitation and therapy. What this device allows us to do, and for individuals to do training in the piece of equipment, is basically allows them to be lighter as they're running or walking. So the benefits of that are, if you have, say, a healthy runner who wants to increase their mileage or maybe has a history of injuries, they can actually get in AlterG Treadmill. They can decrease their body weight by anywhere between 0 and 80%. Typically for a healthy runner, it's going to be around 10 to 15%. So again, decreasing the amount of compression, the amount of stress to their lower extremities makes running easier. So it allows them, again, to have fun, run without pain, increase their mileage. You can actually run faster, again, at a decreased body weight, which is a benefit to healthy runners. So for our post-operative patients that we see here in physical therapy, it has a lot of application, but most of those patients have either been on crutches, sometimes utilizing a walker, maybe gone through a period of limited or non-weight bearing, and a lot of those folks are having trouble walking without a limp or without some type of impairment. So again, we can get them in the treadmill, decrease their body weight, which allows them to practice a normal gait pattern. A lot of times at that point, a limp is more of a learned response and more of a habit, where when you take off a certain percentage of their body weight, they can now, again, feel what it's like to walk without that stress, strain, pain, discomfort, and they can relearn the normal walking technique and basically decrease or entirely get rid of their limp, which allows them then to move on through the rehab process. And again, you have a lot of those folks who are wanting to return back to sports, return back to running, and having been through a surgery or a major injury, it allows them to start that process much sooner on land than what they could on a normal treadmill or just going outside and running, again, in a pain-free way. So you can start with a walk-run progression. You can increase their running mileage, speed, those type of things in a gradual way with a decreased loading response, with decreased pain to their lower extremities, which allows the rehab process really to move along faster, smoother, and for those more healthy, active patients that we see, they just really enjoy getting in the treadmill and being able to start those real-life activities, things they enjoy, again, much sooner than what they could otherwise.